This tutorial will allow you to fill up the management questionnaire form of the Repro Money program using your Dairy Comp 305 backup file. This tutorial will guide you through all the steps on how to absorb your farm's backup file into the Repro Money basis file and how to retrieve the data needed to complete the questionnaire. Once you're in Dairy Comp, you have to log on to the Repro Money basis file. To do so, go to the command line and type log on and hit enter. A window that says select cow file will open. Now click on the browse button. The screen will allow you to choose the file you want to select on your computer. Browse in your files until you find the Repro Money folder. Click on it and open the folder, and you will find the cow file 5.dat. This is your Repro Money basis file. Once you found it, select it and click Open. The next step is to absorb the farm's backup file into your basis file. For this, you need to type absorb in the command line of the Dairy Comp 305 program. A new window like this will open. Click on the Select File tab. Now you have to browse in your computer until you find the farm's zip backup file that you want to absorb. Once you select the zip folder, click Open. The basis file will automatically create and absorb the data through your Repro Money basis file. Now you're ready to fill up the management questionnaire form of the Repro Money program. In the menu bar, you'll find the Repro Money Reports tab. Click on it and you'll see this pull-down menu with 10 sections that correspond to the same 10 sections of the questionnaire. You will be selecting one section at a time, and from the tables displayed, you will find the information needed to complete the questionnaire. The first tab is the Set File Date. This command will set the date used as today or the last day any data was entered in the file by Dairy Comp. When you select it, a calendar will show up and you'll have to select today's date. Now let's go back to the Repro Money Reports tab and select Production. A table like this will show up. Here you have the answer to the first 5 questions of this section. Herd size. This farm has a total of 394 cows, lactating and dry. You also have the number of first lactation cows, which is 146. The average milk production, the average management level milk, and the average fat and protein. Note that below the command line, you'll have a description of the items that are displayed in this table. Now, to go to the next table and answer the rest of the questions, you can either go to the command line, click on it, or you can hit Escape in your keyboard. Whatever method you use, you'll see the next table of that section. As you can see, each section has multiple reports with an equivalent question from the questionnaire under the section selected. Once you're done with the production section, click again on the Repro Money Reports and choose the next section from the pull-down menu. Some of the outputs are straightforward and do not need any extra calculations, like the examples presented before. Others, on the other hand, do require some minor calculations. For example, if we go to the Pregnancy Heart Count section, the first table will give us the first piece of information necessary for this calculation, which is total herd size. We then hit Escape and get the next table with the culling rate. To calculate the culling rate, we need to add the cows that were sold and the ones that died and divide them by the number of fresh cows. So we need to add 28 cows that were sold plus 20 that died and divide them by the total number of fresh, which is 162. This gives us a total of 29.6% culling rate. Note that under the command line, you'll find the information needed to make this calculation.